Folks, in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a circle to pass through a given point P and also touch a given circle at a given point A. So in this case we are going to be drawing a circle to pass through a given point P. So the first thing to do is to draw the given circle with center O and given point A. So basically, let's draw the given circle. So assuming we have a given circle O, given circle with center O. So these are the center of O, and then we want the circle to pass through this point A. Then let's draw the point P now. So the circle is also going to pass through point P. Now the next step is to join AP and bisect the line. So we join A to P, bisect the line. So when we bisect AP, we'll have a line that passes through here. So I have it here, then over here, we have to P. Yeah. Then we join this line here. We have it. So that's the bisection of AP. Now the next step is to draw a line through O, from O through A to intersect the bisection of AP at B. So we draw a line from O through A to intersect the bisector at B. So when we do that, you can see that this is the intersection, then this will be the intersection. It's intersected at this point. So that point, that intersection will be the center of our given circle. So now with center B and radius BA or BP. So with BA, you can use BA or BP. So let's use BA. With center B and radius BA, you draw a circle. So this is a circle that passes through a point on another circle on a given point. So thanks for watching.